Hi, and welcome to Skill 1 on whole numbers, and we're talking about place value to the 100 millions. So every digit of a number has a place value. The place value tells you how much the digit represents. You can use a place value chart to show the place value of a number, and the chart is separated into periods. You can use the names of the periods to help read or write the number, and the standard form of a number uses commas to separate the periods. So here in this chart, we have three different periods. There's the ones period, which is the ones and the tens and the hundreds. We have the thousands period, and we have 1,000s, 10,000s, and 100,000s. And then we have the millions, where you have the 1 millions, the 10 millions, and the 100 millions. So if I can bring this up a little bit, what we have is this number, this super long number here. And in number form, we have the 72 million. See, the 72. 70, 7 tens, so 72 million. 150, 150, and that's in the thousands. And then we have 605, 605. And so that's our numbers, and I just read off the word form of that, 605. So this number can be written as 72,150,605. Okay, well then let's see if we can get the number in words for this first number. And this right here, this is in the millions, so that would be 657. 657. 657 million. And then this other part, well, there's just 4 right there, and that's in the thousands period. So that's 4,000. And then we have this last part here. That is 200. So that would be 200. And there you go. That's the number in words. Let's try the next one. We have, this is that's in the millions period, and that's just ones. So that's 3 million. And then what we have is, this is 809, and that's in the thousands period. So 809,000. And then we have 44 right here. That's 44, and that's in the ones period, so 44. There it is. Okay, moving up, I'm going to have that table out. It's not going to be available to us now. Or you know what? I think I'll just make this smaller like this, so I still have that in there. And let's see, write each number in standard form. So 11 million. 11 million, that's 11. That's going to be 1, 1. So I just write 11. 11 million. But now that it's that 11 million, that means that I'm now going to end that period, the millions period. See, 11, and then there's going to be a comma here to separate the periods. That's what they're saying up here. They're saying here that the standard form uses commas to separate the periods. Okay. Next is 1,000. So in the thousands period, I just need 1. So I go 0, 0, and 1. See, that's in the thousands period, and it's a period, so I end that with a comma. And then I just need the number 15. So right here, 15. Well, 15 is just 1, 5, and I need a 0, 1, 5. See, that's 15. There you go. Next one, 807 million. So When I see 807, I have to write 807. And I'll put the next period, thousands period, will be in blue. 267,000. So really, I just need to make 260, 260, not 260, 260. 260 is 260. See? And then 703. 703. So the thousands is done, right? That thousand right here has the comma, the blue comma. And then now I come in with 703. 703. And there you go. That's how you write these numbers. Now, as you work through these problems, what you need to do is you need to remember if you're going to write something in word form, that's obviously the words. This I'll help you out with number 1, 3,000. That's 3,000. See, that's and then that ends the thousands period. So I have a comma, comma, and then 784. That's just 784. 784. See, these are all going to be written in word problems. Now, when you see down here, write each number in standard form. Standard form means you're going to write the numbers that it's telling you. For instance, 2 million. 2 million. So I have 2. That million. So that tells you, hey, that ends the millions period. So, okay, there's a comma. And then I need thousands. There's nothing in the thousands period. So it's just 0, 0, 0, comma. And there's nothing in the ones period. And so that would be 0, 0, 0. What I'm doing is I'm going back to what we had in the previous page. So I brought this back out just to show you that what we have is 2 million. So that's 2 right here in the millions period. So 2 million ends that with a comma, and then I don't have anything in the thousands here. So that's why I wrote the zeros, and nothing in the ones period right here. So I wrote zeros right there. And so as we have 63,000, this one right here, 63,000. Okay, I'm in the thousands. I write 63 and a comma because that ends the thousands period. And I'll do that right now. So 63,000. But and then after that, they don't tell me anything. There's just nothing in the ones period at all. So I just write zeros after that. And that's what you got to do. And let's look at the, let's look at the rest of this page here. Give your number in answer form. So standard form. So what they're looking at here, when you have to give your answer in standard form, that's word form. So 93,000, I have to write 93, and 1,000. There it ends the thousands period, and then I have 3 zeros right there. See, that's what you're looking for. Let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah, we have a couple word problems, and you're gonna be writing this here. You have this number, and you're asked to write it in word form. You should be able to do that. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.